Hello friends, how are you? Here I have lot of collection of kitchen Barbie set. Wow, look at, I have a doll. Here is, wow, stove, kettle, computer table. Wow, now I will make something. First of all, on the fire. Open the lid. Yes, I'm making something. It's closed. Switch off the fire. Pour some tea in the cup. Wow. Yes. Yes. And I will select white cup. Yes. Oh, here is a rolling pin with a cutting board. Wow. Roll like this. Roll. Wow. Wow, Dolly, do you want something? Open your mouth. Yummy. It's tasty? Yes. Okay. Go. Wow, here is a Barbie fridge. Yes. Green and pink color stuff. I will put making some tea and I will make rice. Open. I will choose this. Yes. Wow, it's very beautiful. Close. It's ready. Tea is also ready. Yes. I will select white cup for tea. Oh no. Yes. Wow. Where is plate? Here is. The color of plate is green. I will place cup. Oh, here I think green color cake. Wow, open. Is there anywhere? No. Okay, close the door. Hope you enjoying.